Hey, Paula! Paula! What's going on?
Fire drill. Or not a drill, sorry.
Yeah, definitely not a drill because the door's shut.
Yeah.
Wait, what did the panel say though? What did the annunciator say?
They think maybe somebody was smoking, but I don't know if that's for sure.
'Cause sometimes because of the annunciator will say like where the alarm, where it triggered.
Bathrooms.
That's what it said? Apparently someone may be smoking. That no good. Can't really flip the cameras, guys, but hold on. I don't know if the lens can capture it, but yeah, it's not getting it well, but do it now. I'll try from over here, guys. But yeah, the alarm's going off from what I hear. Maybe people smoking in the bathrooms. At least that's what the annunciator says. Here we go, let's try this one. So apparently, according to the annunciator, it's the bathrooms?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, but I just got confirmation from admin. It's the bathroom, so it might be people smoking. We don't know. But I can take my protection off now. But that was really weird. It was just during the fourth period, too. I did not expect that to happen. But I'm recording from my computer because I left my camera at home. And I was not expecting this. So maybe I'll have to start taking it with me more often. Hola, Miriam. El admin está diciendo que es de los baños. Si alguien posible estaba smoking or vaping, I don't know, pero se activó la alarma. I can't really alarm. It's hard to do my head. I have my 4K camera. Just before I die, expecting.
Ei, tudo bem?
Hey! Tenemos el
E
mismo.
aí, Ben? Ah, tá vendo? Eu gosto.
Sí, pero miro, mío tiene para un clip.
Ah, meu não. Você é melhor. Melhor.
Sí. if they can get me in. Okay.
That's me. I was like,
It's not actually. It's not a drill. Nick. Let's see if I could show you guys the alarm going off the concessions out here. I don't know if the camera on my computer can capture it. Yeah, I think it's too far away. Not anymore. Told you I was leaving. Alright. Time to find my clients. I'm taking some time for a vlog day. I'll vlog what I do in the auditorium, but honestly right now, not right now though.
Get out of here.
You guys have to give me a moment while I find my class. Alright guys, just got where my thing is at, so I just gotta now find my teacher. Looks like English teachers are coming out right now. But we will soon be conducting our fire drill at the seminary, and I will be working on that, so that'll be good. But I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, just now found my teacher. Well guys, it looks like they silenced the alarms, so I just hope they don't go off again. But if so, I'll be keeping recording.